Here in this problem given, a shopkeeper buys an article from the dealer for 56,000 and pays GST at the rate of 15%. He sells it to the customer at a profit of 24,000. We have to find the price paid by the customer and then the GST paid by the shopkeeper. Now, first we'll find out the GST paid by the shopkeeper. And that will be 15% of the purchase price, that is 56,000. That is 0.15 times 56000, and that is 8.